He wants to know the meaning and significance of these two terms. One is Baqaa and another is Fanaa.
They're exactly opposite to each other. Baqaa means continuity of life, and Fanaa is totally destruction of one's being into nothingness. Fanaa is nothing. But sometimes, according to Sufi's terminology, Fanaa means one's own self-destruction, destruction of one's ego. And in this term, Fanaa and Baqaa become one and the same thing. If you destroy your ego, you attain Baqaa. If your ego is live, then you can't attain Baqaa. So these are the two different terms, according to Sufis, which join at the summit, and there the Fanaa and Baqaa actually mean one and the same thing.